Hi again. We're continuing to work on our Chapter 3 assignment for our class Business Spreadsheet Applications. In this video, we're going to take a look at how the mixed referencing works. So I've already opened my wedding Excel file. I've already completed the previous steps for creating a relative reference and an absolute reference. And now I'm ready to get started on filling in my formula in cell B18. So in cell B18, what we're trying to establish is the total price of basket 1 for the lavender candles. So in the information that I have above, I have the number of items per basket. So I have 2 lavender candles in basket 1, 2 lavender candles in basket 2, so on and so forth. Then I have the prices down here in B14. I have the price of that lavender candle. And then I'm going to combine that to generate a sort of a total answer here in B18. Okay, so be active on cell B18, and we're going to put in our formula. So we're going to start with the equal sign, B9 times B15, right? It's the number of items times the cost. And we're going to use B15 because we're going to use the cost after the discount. So it's B15. So if I press enter, I can see that I get an answer here that looks like the correct answer. But now I need to establish this formula in every other cell in this range. So basket 2, basket 3, and in fact, I need to do it for the C column and D column. So I'm going to go back to B18 and think about how I might use absolute referencing, relative referencing, or in this case, mixed referencing to create a formula that I can just then copy to all of the other cells. So if I think about B9, B9 is the number of items. I want B9 to change. I want it to change to B10 and B11 when I copy it down. I also want it to change to C9 and D9 when I copy it across. So B9 should remain a relative reference. And B15 is a little tricky because I don't want it to change when I copy down. When I copy this formula from B18 to B19, I want B15 to stay the same. However, when I copy it across, I want B15 to change to C15. So if I think this through thoroughly, what I can see is that I want the B to change, but I want the 15 to remain the same. Or rather, I want 15 to be absolutely the same, no matter where I copy it to. So I'm going to add a $ directly before the 15 to indicate that row 15 will always stay the same. And then as I copy B18 into C18, B15 will change to C15. As I copy it down, C15 remains the same, C15 and C15. All right, let's give it a try. Press enter to accept that change. And then first autofill it down to make sure it works in the B column. And it does, it works terrific. Now let's copy it over one column to the C column to make sure that it works the way we intended. And that works, so we can continue to copy it through the D column and the E column. And we call this mixed referencing. There's a little bit of relative and there's a little bit of absolute, and that's how our mixed referencing determination works.